Hello, my name is Miles Herget, and I'll be presenting my Ignite on Discord. And right here I have the loading screen for Discord, which basically is just a loading symbol of the Discord icon, and then some fun quote from a game or meme, as this one is just Overwatch. Pretty cool. And I wanted to start off with the statement from the Discord website because it clearly shows why it was made. We built Discord to bring gamers together. The best relationships in our lives were built around playing games. Memories of staying up late playing Warcraft 3 with friends or sharing creations in The Sims mean so much to us. Discord's free voice and text chat is about making it easier for you to spend time with the people you care about, create these memories, and land a headshot or two. I just like to think of Discord as a souped-up version of Skype. You can make personal voice calls, but you can also share your screen with a group, text, share images, memes, or whatever else you're into. Here's an example of the group sharing page. It's used just with like one or two other people. And then this is the home page where you can launch your games, or just keep up to date with all the news coming out for different games. And it is also really easy to use. It only takes a couple clicks to make a server and some copying and pasting to join someone else's, and it might actually be too easy because I'm part of some random servers, like this XXRT one. I don't really remember who got me to join it, but it's still fun. And along with casual servers for you and your friends, some make more official servers with a certain purpose. This Rocket League 6-man server was made to make a more serious ranked system with everybody having mics and hopefully a lot less trolling and stuff, and then there's also like a pro rank and semi-pro rank, and then everybody else can climb these ranks. And a huge part of Discord are the bots. The one in Rocket League 6-man just keeps track of win and losses and puts you in your rank, but there are more complicated ones like this Pokecord one, where you basically play Pokemon on Discord. We're just like typing in commands and it's playing the game on there. So you can download all of these to your Discord server if you're the host of it. And then one that I personally really like, and I think a lot of my friends like too, is the music bot. There's different variations, but the one we use is Fredboat. And I'll show you an example. You just type in commands to play songs like you played Van Halen Dreams. And then I'll show you there's a thing that pops up. So it'll give you a couple options, and then you select one, and it'll play it for you in the Discord. And everybody else who's listening to it doesn't have it muted. And then finally, just like any other social networking site, you can keep loops with friends and let you know what they're up to, and if you want to send them a message, just a private message or personal call, do whatever you want. And finally, citations. And thank you for listening.